Imagine elevating your 3D printing capabilities with the Anycubic Kobra 3-Combo AE version, a powerhouse designed for speed and creativity. This advanced FDM printer features a generous build volume of 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters, giving you ample space to bring large projects to life. Engineered for efficiency, it boasts a maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, allowing you to finish high-quality prints in record time. With the integrated automatic leveling system, setup is seamless, ensuring a perfect first layer every time. The Cobra 3 supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, and its heated bed reaches temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius for optimal adhesion. Furthermore, its Wi-Fi connectivity enables effortless wireless control, making this CE-certified machine from Anycubic the ultimate tool for both hobbyists and professionals looking for reliable multicolor printing solutions.